Well, I'd like to take advantage of a break in the weather to cut a rock outside that I've been eyeballing for a while. I think it should be interesting. Let's cut and polish this bad boy. So, from the outside, this rock looks like it is high-grade silver. Kind of ugly right now because silver oxidizes black. But you can see one good indicator. See the cracks here, but the rock hasn't fallen apart? That's probably being held together by silver. Same within here. This particular rock was found with a metal detector in the tailings at an old abandoned silver mine just outside of Cobalt, Ontario. Now this rock is a solid piece of ore. Definitely has silver in it. See that? Let me just rub that down a bit. But I think what I'd like to do is put a slice in it. Let's cut that rock. So I'm just using a tile saw. So there's the inside of it. I think that'll polish up nicely. Ended up making a nugget out of that one little dangler. Just broke right off. And a little flat nugget. Well, I think that deserves polishing. Just to see what it looks like. So this is going to be a rather quick polishing job. We'll give you the idea what we're doing. There's one little piece here. 100 grit sandpaper. It is a dirty job. See how black it gets? Almost immediately it gets black. That one, it's got the saw blade mark on it. There's no clean edges to polish. I'll put it to one side. This one, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go out and just use the edge of the tile saw to trim that off. Let's do this baby. So just a little bit of the 100 grit, and it's already starting to look a little bit nicer. See that? So what I'm going to do is the same thing, the same process on progressively finer grits of sandpaper. I'll do 240, 300, 600, 800, and then I'll show you 1500 and 2000 grit, because that's where the real polish starts. So I'll come back to you. Okay, we're done 1500 grit. Let's dry that off. See, dry, it's not quite as shiny. But it's still pretty nice. Let's bounce it up to 2000 grit and see what happens. It's working out alright, I think. And we're done. I think it turned out pretty nice. It probably needs a little more polishing in a few of the spots, but I got to see what I wanted to see and learned what the inside of this rock looked like. And perhaps this is the first fail video ever. Thanks for watching. Look out! Oh no! Ah! I can't believe I got that on camera!